Hey guys, the channel for BMX and do a bike check on my verde 2012. I got the Animal Edwin grips. They're pretty nice. I like to ride them. I ride they didn't wear out as bad as the grips that came with it, and all the other grips like the We the People grips and stuff in the ODI. Well, anyway, I got the Eclot Sean Burns stem. I got Cinema pegs. I think the Cinema pegs are pretty good, but they flatten out pretty easily. And I got the Clot Teal Slim pedals. They're pretty nice. They're good grip once you buy them. They wear out, but like any pedals do. I got the Alienation back rim. It's really nice. It's a triple wall. Got the Primo Remix hub. It's nice, and yeah, and I got the McNeil sprocket. That's it. Thanks for watching.